Imagine a city where the echoes of ancient civilizations mingle with the modern-day extravagance of luxury living. Welcome to Istanbul, a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with a lifestyle of opulence and grandeur. Istanbul, the city straddling two continents, offers a unique blend of history, culture, and undeniable charm. But beneath its ancient surface lies a world of extravagant experiences, perfect for those seeking a taste of luxury. Here's a glimpse into the opulent side of Istanbul. So, let's get started. Living in grandeur. Imagine waking up to a stunning view of the Bosphorus Strait, with sunlight sparkling on the water. Luxury living in Istanbul means residing in exquisite waterfront apartments with modern amenities, restored Ottoman-era townhouses with historic charm, or historic waterfront mansions, yali, with private docks and gardens. Stepping out of your luxurious home, you can explore the city's treasures, including iconic landmarks like Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, shopping at the vibrant Grand Bazaar, and enjoying sumptuous dinners at renowned restaurants. As night falls, the city comes alive with twinkling lights on the Bosphorus Bridge, street performers and musicians along the waterfront, and sweet treats and lanterns guiding you through the night. In Istanbul, luxury living is an immersive experience that combines history, culture, and beauty, offering something for everyone, whether you seek relaxation or adventure. Shopping fit for a sultan. Istanbul's love affair with luxury extends far beyond its residences, with the prestigious Nizamtasi district serving as a real-life shopping paradise. This upscale neighborhood is akin to Istanbul's Champs-Élysées, boasting world-renowned brands like Louis Vuitton and Chanel, alongside coveted Turkish designers. However, luxury in Nizamtasi is not just about big names. It's about discovering exquisite craftsmanship and one-of-a-kind treasures. As you stroll through the streets, you'll uncover a trove of high-end boutiques, artisanal shops, and exclusive showrooms. Each store is a testament to the city's rich heritage of craftsmanship, showcasing intricate textiles, handmade jewelry, and precision-cut crystals. From opulent fabrics to bespoke accessories, every item is a reflection of Istanbul's dedication to quality and elegance. Nizamtasi is a shopper's dream come true, where luxury is not just a label, but an experience. A culinary journey for the discerning palate. Istanbul's culinary scene is a gourmet's paradise, offering a diverse range of dining experiences that cater to the most refined tastes. From Michelin-starred restaurants serving innovative Turkish cuisine to rooftop bars with breathtaking views, the city's culinary delights are sure to impress. Savor fresh seafood while taking in the stunning views of the Bosphorus, or indulge in traditional Ottoman dishes reimagined for a modern audience. The city's chefs are masters at blending classic flavors with contemporary twists, creating a truly unique culinary experience. For a truly decadent treat, don't miss the opportunity to enjoy afternoon tea at one of Istanbul's historic hotels. This delightful ritual is steeped in elegance, with delicate pastries, finger sandwiches, and premium teas served in opulent surroundings. Unwinding in style. After a day filled with exploration and indulgence, there's perhaps no better way to unwind and rejuvenate than by immersing yourself in the luxurious experience of a traditional Turkish hammam. Picture this: expert masseuses skillfully kneading away the stresses of the day, followed by a soothing soak in a hot marble bath, enveloped in the fragrant steam swirling around you. For those seeking the epitome of pampering, many luxury hotels around the world offer world-class spas, where every detail is meticulously designed to provide a haven of relaxation and indulgence. Where to stay? Here are 3 luxury hotels in Istanbul where you can experience the city's luxury lifestyle. Shangri-La Bosphorus, Besiktas. This 5-star hotel offers stunning views of the Bosphorus and is located in the heart of the city. Guests can enjoy the hotel's spa, fitness center, and several dining options. The Peninsula Istanbul, Karachi. This hotel is located in the historic Karachi district and offers luxurious rooms and suites with modern amenities. Guests can enjoy the hotel's rooftop terrace, fitness center, and spa. Four Seasons Hotel Istanbul at Sultanahmet. This five-star hotel is located in the heart of the historic Sultanahmet district and offers luxurious rooms and suites with stunning views of the city. Guests can enjoy the hotel's spa, fitness center, and several dining options. So, if you're looking for a city break that combines rich history, cultural immersion, and a touch of extravagance, Istanbul's luxury scene awaits. Prepare to be dazzled.